Hello students, how you people are enjoying in the house, or I think you got bored in the house, cannot meet your friends, nothing can be done. It is a pandemic. First you have to save your life, then the studies and educations are there forever for you. There is no age limit for any type of education. So be calm, be quiet. Nothing is going to hamper your studies if you are really thoughtful about it. So, forgetting all this, stay at home, stay safe, and let us continue with our studies online. Today, I'm going to start a new chapter in your history, Nationalism in India, chapter number 3. Nationalism in India, it is about the stories which you know. It is about your own stories, own country's stories. So if you be little attentive, then it will give you very easily you can understand, because these all words, names are very familiar with you. The events described are sometimes or somehow you have heard those things. So it is very important chapter also for your board examination. Surely some questions comes from this chapter. So let us start this. So let us start with the introduction of this chapter. First of all, we should know, what do you mean by nationalism? Nationalism means patriotism. That's Deshbhakti. A feeling of collective belonging to one's nation, sharing common feelings of identity. That is called nationalism. When you are outside your country, you do not say that I belong to Jharkhand, or I am Bihari, I am Bengali, I am Gujarati. You always say I am an Indian. This feeling of unity, oneness is called nationalism. Then a new word comes, nation states. A state having common territory and inhabited by people sharing common language, race, culture, etc. It is called nation state. Now see, this feeling of nationalism will only come, only came, or will come when there is only one situation throughout the country. You know that in our ancient history, ancient period, there were many rajas, emperors, maharajas, and in different states they used to rule. And in whichever state they used to rule, they used to think that that is their country. Because there was no feeling of understanding, feeling of bondness in the whole country. They thought wherever they are ruling, that is their own country. But that feelings of nationalhood, nationhood or nationalism came into being when the colonial government came to rule us, when the Britishers came to rule us, when each and every Raja, Maharaja and leaders, landlords, emperors, they thought that there is only one enemy, that is British. Then only this feeling of oneness, unity came into being, and they fought for one cause, that is independence of the country, not of a particular state. This feeling is called nationalism. So during the British period, there were only one party. Now we are having several parties, Congress Party, BJP Party, Jharkhand Mukti Morcha, but during this British period, there were only one party, that is Congress Party. And Congress Party under the leadership of Mahatma Gandhi tried to unite these different cultures, different religions, different language speaking people into one umbrella and fight against this British rule. There are different types of movements which have been started. See, during the First World War, each and every people thought that after the World War, India will get its independence. So the people also kept quiet. They did not raise their voice against the Britishers. The people of India thought that after the First World War, they will get their independence. So Britishers also forced all the villagers and other different types of workers to join the army in British. And Britishers in our country, by our own people, they fought with the other countries. But they do not give any facilities to our Indian armies, the people who joined them, the people who helped them. Moreover, during 1920-21, 1919, the First World War started. Up in 1920-21, there was a famine. Akal pad gaya. Crops failed. No crops. Drought came. 2 years continue. And when the soldiers returned back after the World War, there were influenza epidemic. Just now we are having pandemic, virus pandemic. At that time it is a virus, and that was influenza, because at that time there were no such medicines. So influenza epidemic came and hundreds and thousands of people died. And Britishers has not helped at all to come out from this situation. This has enraged the people of India. Then a great leader came, Mahatma Gandhi, who tried to unite the Indians to fight against these Britishers. How? With which weapon? With what are the different organization, or what are the different movements? We will go through one by one, slowly, gradually, and we'll complete the chapter. Thank you.